Stress-strain data. Total Materia users with access to extended range can view stress-strain diagrams for thousands of materials. As with other properties, diagrams are offered for a variety of conditions that can be selected by temperature, heat treatment, and other factors. This heat-resistant stainless steel has data from several verified sources. The diagrams for this series of compression tests is shown in Total Materia's distinctive multifunctional diagram viewer. But of course the data is available in tables for each temperature in the test. Ask your representative about adding extended range to your Total Materia subscription.